The 2025 AC Schnitzer Topster is here, and it's turning heads with its aggressive styling, enhanced performance, and unmistakable German engineering. AC Schnitzer, known for taking BMWs to the next level, has pushed the limits with this new model, offering a thrilling driving experience that blends power, luxury, and aerodynamics. At first glance, the Topster looks like a machine built for speed. The aggressive front fascia features larger air intakes, a sculpted hood, and a sleek, low-slung stance. The carbon fiber aerodynamic enhancements not only improve performance but also add to its bold aesthetics. From the extended side skirts to the massive rear wing, every detail has been designed to optimize airflow and increase downforce, ensuring stability even at high speeds. Under the hood, the AC Schnitzer Topster packs a serious punch. It's based on BMW's M platform but tuned to unleash even greater power. The twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine delivers an impressive 600 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. The upgraded exhaust system not only enhances performance but also produces a deep, aggressive roar that announces its presence on the road. Paired with an advanced suspension system, the Topster provides a sharp, responsive driving experience, perfect for both track days and everyday road use. The interior of the 2025 Topster is where performance meets luxury. High-quality Alcantara and carbon fiber accents create a cockpit that feels both premium and race-inspired. The sports seats provide maximum support, while the customizable digital display offers real-time performance data. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures seamless connectivity. The steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara with paddle shifters, gives drivers complete control, making every drive an exhilarating experience. AC Schnitzer has also focused on fine-tuning the handling dynamics of the Topster. With an adjustable coilover suspension system and wider tires for increased grip, the car remains planted even at high speeds. The aerodynamic body kit, in combination with a rear diffuser, further enhances stability, ensuring a thrilling yet safe driving experience. The upgraded braking system, featuring high-performance ceramic brakes, provides exceptional stopping power, making sure the car handles as well as it accelerates. While the Topster is engineered for performance, AC Schnitzer has ensured that it doesn't compromise on daily usability. The adaptive driving modes allow the driver to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings, adjusting the throttle response, suspension stiffness, and exhaust note accordingly. The lightweight construction, achieved through extensive use of carbon fiber, enhances agility while maintaining a luxurious feel inside the cabin. The 2025 AC Schnitzer Topster is more than just a tuned BMW, it's a statement. It's for those who crave an adrenaline rush without sacrificing luxury and cutting-edge technology. With its aggressive design, raw power, and track-ready enhancements, this is a machine built to dominate the road and the racetrack. For enthusiasts looking for something beyond the ordinary, the Topster stands as one of the most exciting performance cars of the year.